Welcome everyone. I am here at Boulder Springs Villas. This beautiful home, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, about 2,250 square feet to round her off. 2-car garage, and just gorgeous. Let me show you around a little bit. So when you come in, it has a beautiful courtyard area right here. You come through those doors. There is an exterior fireplace, and also bedroom number 3 has an outside entrance, which you could ultimately lock off that bedroom and bathroom and have kind of a separate granny flat or casita for out-of-towners or that sort of thing. Okay, so the camera's going to transition, trying to figure out all the different, anyway, give it a second here and it'll transition into, there we go. Okay, so now we're inside the entryway. So on the wing to the right, you're going to have your hall bathroom right there, spacious, open. Right there, that's the half bath. And then you're going to go into one of the 2 bedrooms over here. So the way this works is you can lock off this door right here. We're going to go through at either position, and that would enable whoever was staying in that bedroom to either exclusively use this bathroom, which is a full bathroom, cast iron tub, tile, the whole bit, or the person here, right here, could lock off the other door and then to the other bedroom and then just use this as a casita, using this exterior door as their way in and out. Okay, or you can just keep it open for family style if you'd like. Okay, if I pass through the 2 bedrooms, we're gonna head into the beautiful master bedroom. Excuse the bumping, folks. Cavernous room. I mean, that is a big old California king bed right there, and there is tons of room. Steel. Okay, bathroom. Nice tile tops. Double sink vanity, as you can see. Does have the jetted tub. And then the nice step in, walk around shower. I'm not sure what we'll be able to see, but we'll give it a go. It worked out all right. Okay, so that's the master bedroom. Excuse the bumping. That's what you get when you get these professional videos, guys. Now back into the great room. As you can see, it's just really open, spacious. Another fireplace over there. You can see that there's big furniture here and there's still ample room. Beautiful dining area, beautiful kitchen with a cooktop right there, nice cabinets, built-in oven. Then you have a laundry area. And last of all, kind of a catch-all mud room, storage room, you name it room. Everyone needs one of those rooms. And then you've got also some cabinetry in here. So there you go, folks. Boulder Springs Villas, 1620 East, 1450 South, number 21. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, about 2,250 square feet. Comes furnished for the right offer. Who do you know that wants to, or that should be buying this home?